Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Under your hood, on the driver's side, there's a relay center. To pop the cover off, you're gonna lift underneath here. There's a little lock. Lift that up. And there are all your relays. Like the tail lamp relay, fog light relay, anti-theft, headlamp. So if you're having a problem and you need to check a relay, here is where majority of them are. There's a horn relay, air conditioning relay. So on the cover is the key for which relay is which. So right here is the rear defrost relay. That would be this one right here. If you were to remove it, you're gonna have to take a straight blade tool, little screwdriver. You're gonna get in here, there's a little lock, or you can get behind here and push on the lock. When you push on the lock, then you can grab the relay, wiggle it back and forth, and pull it straight up. This is how the brown ones come out. The blue ones come out a little bit different. If you wanted to check a relay, you could actually swap it with another one. Just make sure it's the same part number. And then to put this one back on, just line it up. And push it down, lock it in. To take the blue ones out, you're gonna take your same straight blade tool, slide it under here, just like this. And while it's under there, then you can pull out on the relay. Just like that. And again, you can check the part number with other part numbers if you wanted to swap it with another relay and test it. And we can push it back on, just like that. And to reinstall the cover, line the cover up, then lock it in.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.